Hi everyone, at Digital Colmer here again, and welcome. Today we're going to look at supervised learning, teaching machines. So welcome back, future AI trainers. Are you ready to become the next Mr. Miyagi of machine learning? Let's wax on and wax off into supervised learning. So here we are, our helicopter. Supervised learning is like being the helicopter parent of the AI world. You're there for every step, showing your AI child the ropes. Let's move on here to a bit of a flow chart. So, how does supervised learning work? Well, we start with something called labeled data. So you feed in your AI labeled data. Use a model then to make predictions on, say, pictures of cats and dogs. And then you teach the model, say, yes, that is correct. It is a cat, or no, that is not correct. And you rinse and repeat until the model gets straight A's. And that's supervised learning. Now, there are a couple of types of supervised learning. There is classification and regression. So a good way of understanding classification is spam. Is this email spam or not? It's like teaching AI to sort through your email laundry. And then we have regression. So how much will this house sell for? To do with prediction. It's like teaching AI to be a real estate agent. So regression and classification. Now let's move on to down here. So analogy time, team. Supervised learning is like teaching a robot to cook. So here's my robot. Here he is cooking away. You show it recipes. That's like labeled data. And it tries to cook, i.e. make predictions. And you taste the test result. That's the evaluate phase. So eventually it'll be making souffles while you Netflix and chill. Yes, indeed. And down here, let's talk a little bit about SageMaker. We covered it before. So let's talk about the SageMaker playground. SageMaker is like your supervised learning sandbox. So here is my box. Here is my sand. I warned you I wasn't very good at drawing. It's packed with algorithms like XGBoost and Linear Learner. It could do other types of learning, but today, remember, we are supervised learning. It's like having an AI gym with all the fancy equipment. So that's SageMaker. So let's do our exam cheat sheet. Supervised learning is always equal to using labeled data. Make sure you know the difference between classification and regression for the exam. Understand the train, test, and validate workflow, which is sort of quickly illustrated over here. And remember that AWS SageMaker has supervised learning capabilities. It has other capabilities, but that's the focus of today. So, congratulations! You're now certified to supervise AIs. That 900 score is so close. So, if this video predicted your learning needs accurately, don't forget to classify. Don't forget to classify that like button as smashed, and let the YouTube algorithm, I'll put my teeth in today, learn your excellent taste. I'll see you in the next AI classroom. This is Digital Colmer, having a lot of fun, signing off.